Aloha! We are in the island of Kauai. Tune in and join me and my siblings as we explore and discover the beauty of this island. Finally arrived safe and sound in Kauai after 2 flights and a little over 6 hours later. It is about 10 o'clock in San Francisco right now, so I am actually quite beat. I have been to Kauai before, but it's been some time ago that I don't remember the airport layout or how small it is, how very small it is. What I do remember is that the last time I was here, I had lost my luggage, or rather the airline lost my luggage. But today that did not happen. So I am just waiting for my siblings to pick me up, and hopefully we are going to grab dinner.
It's the island Mai Tai.
And Hawaiian.
I love gel.
And then
Yeah.
pineapple and what?
Rum.
Can you put rum in there? Is that what you put? Oh, the Bacardi?
Yeah. Where's my music? Wala may music dyan para ano?
Ayun.
Anong music ang gusto
Any
mo?
speaker.
Cocktail.
Yun nga,
Tom
siya
Cruise
sila
cocktail
nakapila doon.
soundtrack.
Oh my God!
Hindi parang puti. Parang putos. Oo, parang putos.
Ayan, may music.
Naka-Alexa ba yan?
Hindi.
Hinanap si Alexa. We're at the apartment hotel already, and we just went ahead and ordered takeout, KFC. It looks like everything closes early here, so that was our only option. Took it home, and then after that, some nightcap. I will definitely have a good sleep tonight. So, I will see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, everyone. Today is the first full day of our family trip. Actually, my siblings' trip. We are staying at a condominium for rent, and I'm going to include that site link on the description below. Today is just going to be a come what may sort of lazy day, so we're just going to check out the surrounding area to this property. So let me take you for a quick tour of this 4-bedroom apartment. As you can see, the property is pretty big. There's the condos behind me, and there's some new ones that are being built as well. And there is a pool on the property as well as a tennis court. So from the property, we are walking or heading towards the beach. And it's literally just a stone's throw away. I've always shared that I'm still not comfortable with flying the drone, only because it's a very expensive toy that I don't want it to get damaged or get lost because of the cost. Even though I bought it at eBay for a bit of a discount, still it's an expensive device to damage or to lose. Well, today was the day. For some reason, when I was flying out the drone, and I could still see it, it was still within sight. Me and my cousin could see it, and then on the phone, it started giving us an error of low battery. Mind you, my battery for the drone when I launched it was 3 dot strong, because it's normally 4, so it was 3 dot strong. So I should still have had a good 10 plus minutes. Well, launched it, it was fine. As I was trying to crisscross out in the middle of the ocean, it gave us the warning of low battery. So I pressed the return to home function, started coming back, then all of a sudden it just stopped in the middle of the ocean, and the warning came back as no transmission. No transmission. And then so I was trying to force it to come back manually, and then another error or warning came up saying that it was unsuitable for landing. Unsuitable for landing. Of course, it's the ocean underneath it. It wouldn't. It just stopped in the middle of flying and just would not come back. And then the signal kept glitching, going in and out, and that was nuts. Just fell into the water. I lost my dang drone. Fell into the water. And I think I've only had the drone, I want to say a good 8 months, not even a year, I want to say. And this is only the first day of our vacation. I actually haven't figured out where else I was going to drone, but I've then lost all the footage in there. At least for the good 5-10 minutes, I should have internalized or copied the video onto my phone, but in hindsight, right? Everything in hindsight. Oh my gosh, it still hasn't really sunk in. effing drone. This is what adventure is about. Very expensive. I still can't believe that I lost my drone. Please do comment below and let me know if you guys have experienced a lost transmission between the actual drone and the remote controller. It's the first time that it has happened to me ever since I bought my drone, and my siblings are also avid droners. Actually, they've had their drone for quite a while and they've never heard, well, they've heard of it, but they've never experienced that. Actually, let me backtrack. They have experienced it, but it never resulted in anything disastrous.
Ito na.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Ayoko malaki! Yun! One more right there! She has the whistle. Okay, go on! Go! Yeah, John! Makakuha niya ako eh, John! Nakabili na ako. Dito ka na lang, Mama Marley.
Thank you. Sorry.
Ano to?
You want coconut? You just want coconut?
Oh yeah.
Oh yes,
Oh, that's
sweet.
so nice.
Yeah, 16 exchange.
How much?
$4 change.
Action mo dyan.
This is my extra job when I'm here in Kauai.
Can I have two ice cold cocoa?
$7. There you go. So how many days I wait for it to be? How many days? It's ready already. This one's coming. Oh, that one. Do you think this is ready for how many days?
They're ready.
They're ready.
They're ready.
Medyo maano.
Let's
Matigas nga lang siya. Thank you. Back home, and we are going to get ready for our luau tonight. So this is where I'm going to end our day, just so I can separate the luau activity and event for another vlog. Today has certainly been more adventurous than I had imagined. The fact that I lost my drone and that it's either have sunken beneath the Kauai oceans or has washed up somewhere still hasn't quite sunk in yet. I'm mad, but not mad. Not sure why or what that means. But I'm sure by the time we leave here, my head is gonna make all the connections and I'm just gonna scream my head off. But in any case, please tune in for the next couple of videos for more adventures. So from my mind's eye to yours, definitely more to come. Thanks for watching.